So what types of things affect closing rate, right? We've just talked about what is closing rate and how we define it. So generally when I talk about closing rate, I like to talk in terms of just the total number because it's easier to understand. So we're just going to talk about the 10% here. So if we were diagnosing a sales process, we're just going to talk about this, and that doesn't give us a lot of insight as to what's going wrong, right? So if a law firm comes to me and tells me that we have a sales problem and they say we're closing at 3%, if that's all the information I have, I can't recommend anything to them. I have to do some tracking. I have to do some number plotting. And so this process can take about 2 to 3 weeks to actually get the data in and then start making the fixes. But what I would do if this number was actually 3% is I would start tracking these numbers. I would track my leads, right? Start there. Then I would track my appointments. Then I would track my books, or my shows, sorry. Show rate. And then I would track my closes. And what I'm going to find here is a problem somewhere. I'm either going to have a sales problem, an actual sales problem, where my salesperson is not doing a good enough job closing, or they're not doing a good enough job following up, or I'm going to have a show rate problem. People aren't showing up, so I don't have enough people to actually sell. Or I will have a book rate problem. People are not booking on my calendar, so there's no way they can show up and there's no way I can close them because I never had the chance to talk to them.